This is a session using a list format. This session uses a more traditional environment for people to collaborate. And now it is even more collaborative and you can add call rooms. If you are not familiar with our call rooms, I encourage you to add a call room or two to your whiteboards or sessions. If you are using this during a meeting or an event, you can have multiple call rooms so that different groups can discuss different concepts even when working asynchronously. Call rooms allow you to instantly form groups and discuss ideas instantly. Set up as many call rooms as you need and encourage your team and collaborators to discuss ideas. If this session format is new to you, I encourage you to check it out. Visit Nova at novatools.org. Thank you for watching.